In the hidden world of close-up nature, a shocking secret has been uncovered. This phenomenon occurs when the smallest creatures exhibit the most extreme behaviors. The world of macro wildlife is a realm where tiny animals can be both fierce and fascinating. From the buzzing of bees to the crawling of ants, the intricate social dynamics of insects are a marvel to behold. But what happens when these tiny creatures clash, and their behaviors are driven by primal instincts? In the scorching deserts of Arizona, a battle between two species has been brewing for centuries. The red rock ants, known for their fierce warrior castes, have been engaged in a centuries-long war with the equally formidable Pharaoh ants. The stakes are high, with each colony fighting for dominance and control over the scarce resources of the desert. As scientists observe this conflict, they are left with a haunting question. Can we learn from the primal behaviors of these tiny creatures? To understand the intricacies of this battle, we need to delve into the world of these insect warriors. Imagine a colony of ants as a highly organized army, with different castes working together to achieve a common goal. The soldiers, equipped with razor-sharp mandibles and powerful legs, are the frontline warriors in this battle. Their armor-plated bodies and specialized tools make them the ultimate fighting machines in this microscopic world. But the Pharaoh ants are no pushovers, and they have developed a counterattack strategy that has left the red rock ants reeling. The Pharaoh ants have evolved a unique social hierarchy, with different castes working together to overwhelm their opponents. Their queen, the largest ant in the colony, is the central figure in their social structure. She lays thousands of eggs a day, ensuring the colony's survival and growth. As the battle rages on, the stakes are higher than ever, with the very survival of these insect colonies hanging in the balance. But that's not the strangest part. What happens when these tiny creatures interact with their human counterparts? Researchers have discovered that the behaviors of these insects can have a profound impact on our understanding of social dynamics and conflict resolution.
The study of insect wars can teach us valuable lessons about cooperation, strategy, and the importance of working together.
This phenomenon occurs when we realize that the smallest creatures can hold the key to solving some of humanity's most pressing problems. The battle between the red rock ants and the Pharaoh ants is a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, we can find fascinating stories of survival and resilience. The red rock ants' highly organized social structure is a testament to their ability to adapt and thrive in even the most hostile environments. Their colonies can number in the tens of thousands, with each individual playing a crucial role in the colony's survival. The Pharaoh ants, on the other hand, have developed a unique strategy of exploiting the weaknesses of their opponents. Their ability to adapt and evolve has allowed them to thrive in a wide range of environments, from deserts to forests. As we continue to observe this battle, we are left with a haunting question. Can we learn from the primal behaviors of these tiny creatures? The answer, much like the outcome of this battle, remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. The world of close-up nature is full of fascinating stories waiting to be uncovered. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.